In this video, I'll show you how to create clean openings where your video slides into view from different directions, giving you full control over how the scene enters the screen. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation. Now switch to the In tab, which controls how the video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list and you'll find slide up, slide down, slide left, and slide right. Each one moves the video into the frame from a different direction. Slide up and slide down work well for vertical movement and cinematic reveals. Slide left and slide right are great for horizontal motion and modern transitions. In CapCut Mobile, these animations are applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how fast the slide happens. Shorter duration makes the motion quick and punchy. Longer duration slows it down, creating a smoother and more polished reveal. Preview each option and choose the direction that best fits your content, and that's it. You've successfully used all 4 slide reveal animations in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut mobile animation tutorials.